Hello, I'm Officer Nights the Night Marin. We will learn about distributive probability. A probability distribution is a mathematical function that provides the probabilities of occurrence of different possible outcomes in an experiment. As before I talked about probability, we've learned about the coins, playing cards and much more. To define probability distributions for the simplest cases, it is necessary to distinguish between discrete and continuous random variables. In the discrete case, it is sufficient to specify a probability mass function p assigning a probability to each possible outcome. For example, when throwing a fair die, each of the 6 values 1 to 6 has the probability 1 by 6. For example, if you throw an even prime number of die, it is 2, we get 1/6. You can try even and odd values, or prime numbers as well. Similarly, for 2 die, this is the result of probability mass distribution. Each sum ranges from 2 to 12, that is, from 1 and 1, to 6 and 6. First end to the other end are the lowest peak. The highest peak is the sum of getting 7, will have 6 ways, that is, from 1 and 6, to 6 and 1. This is called a Gaussian, or bell curve. Now, using coins, each will have heads and tails. Suppose there are 3 coins you tossed, or tossed a coin 3 times. You know there are 8 possible ways. From triple heads to triple tails. First end and the other end, which are 3 tails and 3 heads, have only one possibility. 2 heads and 1 can have 3 possibilities. And 1 head and 2 tails have also 3 possibilities. If there are 4 coins, that is 16 ways, more possibilities will keep on increasing. This is like a Pascal's triangle, from permutations and combinations. So you have learned how the distributive probability works. Like, comment, and subscribe now.